Mandarin Win, the cookbook author, and today I want to go through some of the tricky aspects of making a Russian hand pie. And in fact, I want to make a Russian Korean hand pie, and I posted up on my website, vietworldkitchen.com, and the dough is just a little bit tricky, a little sticky, and the shaping is too. So the recipe's on the website, but I wanted to use on video to just go through some of the shaping techniques and working with dough. The recipe comes from one of my favorite cookbooks right now. It's called Beyond the North Wind, and it's by this wonderful Russian expert named Dara Goldstein. So let's work on the dough.